strip off to my bathers, run into the water, hit the water, then generally let out a loud squeal and run straight back out. Be like, it's too cold. So I've been swimming out here on a 40 degrees Celsius day and had my limbs become numb in the water. But I might just be a big puss. But it does look gorgeous. Reach the township of Lawn. Mainly because it gets turned over the soils very much. To be honest, I don't know. I'm just making no, I think it's just got to do with the way that Australia. Her hormones become released, they'll either pause the pregnancy or start it up again. Without any effect to the pregnancy, but only for, she can only go for up to 2 years. Beyond that, the cell line will die. But so when she has a joey enter the pouch, a female kangaroo this is, except they're western grey kangaroos, they don't have this adaptation. But she'll have a joey enter the pouch, and then she'll go and become pregnant straight away again. She'll mate, become pregnant, and put her pregnancy on pause. And that way, if anything happens to her joey,